Hello everyone, this is Python part 2 and here we are discussing few functions which are related to math and different functions which we use, right? So basically in Python math is basically used when we use integer or a floating point variable, right? So if you are using these, then you will absolutely do some mathematical operations while doing the coding. So while doing those operations, you will use these functions that are sqrt, pi, and mod, percentage. So first of all, basically using these mathematical function, what you need to do is you need to import your import math library in the first line of your Python code, after which you can use these, right? And then what you can do, you can use these number. Now suppose you have to find the okay suppose you have to find area of the circle, then in that case you will use pi, which is 3.14, but instead of that you can use math.py. So for using this, you have to import the library which is math. Okay, then since we are finding the area of the circle, we will ask for the user to enter the radius, right? So radius is equals to int input. Then it will enter the radius. Then you have to print what? You have to print area. So you will write here area of the circle. Now area of the circle will be what? Pi r square. Now I do not want to use that pi, that is 3.14. I want to use the exact value. So in that case, what I will do, I will use this math.py here. So I will write. Now this plus here means the concatenation, means area of the circle will be written as it is, and then what the value is I am getting here will be written, right? So here pi math dot pi into r square. So I will write here r into r, sorry r. So it will print it will give you r square, right? There is another way also. So first see here the answer is enter the radius. I'm entering 7 because okay, r is not defined. Oh sorry, I have taken the radius as a variable, so I have to write here radius, right? Here also radius, so it will then print. So 7. Now again it's giving me error. It's about area of the circle is math pi radius into radius. Can only concatenate str, not float to str. Okay, it's giving me that error because I have added plus here. I have to write comma here. That was I had done. Okay, so now again 7. So it's the area of the circle. So is it right or wrong? So we can compare it by the answer which we will get by 3.14 into radius into radius. So see, the output which you are getting with this using math.py is basically the correct one, which is using the correct value of pi. Not correct means you can say the maximum number of decimal it can use, and here it is only 153.86. So the difference is about 0.93 and 0.86, and that actually matters when you are solving few questions. So this is basically the use of math.py. Similarly, you can use sqrt_num. What it does, it prints the square root of a number, right? And then you have this. What I am telling you here, I have written this radius into radius, but instead of this, if you want that you should print here only the power. Means if you want to write here radius raised to power 5, then what you will do? Radius into radius into radius into radius. No, no, no. Just write here 5. You will get r raised to power 5. So it's not the area now. Okay. So see. So this is basically r raised to power 5. And if you want to test, you can just write here radius into radius into radius if it's correct or not. So into 5. So I want only 2 radius more. And see the output. See. So it's basically of the math.py which is giving this different output, and other things are same. Okay. Or you can just remove this math.py to see the same output. Okay. Now this is basically for the power operation, and similarly sqrt operation. And then what? Okay, if you want to take a number, not an integer, in the float, then you can just add here the data type float. So this I already told in which data type you want to take the input. You can just write the data type here before this. Okay. Now then there is math.py. Now there are different operators in different languages, but in Python there is an additional operator which is this mod, and which is basically the meaning same. It gives the same meaning of this slash in other languages. This slash means just the quotient, right? And here double slash means the quotient, that is 15 double slash 2 gives you 7. But if you will do 15 slash 2, it will give you 7.5, right? And if you will write 15 percentage 2, it will give you 1 as a output. And the rest of the operations and operator are same in the Python, that is your this percentage, plus, minus, right, multiply, all these are same, but only this double slash is different in Python. Now I have few challenge question for you. By using this math library, you can solve these questions. So which is 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, right? So these all questions are very easy, and I'm very sure that you are able to do if you have learned Python till here. And also if there is any difficulty while solving this question, you can check the answers that are written here, and you can compare your answers also in case you want to check whether you have written right or wrong. So this is these are the answers, and this is basically the end of the maths which is used in Python. Basically not the end of all the math function. This is the basic maths which I have told you. While coding you will use these, and slowly you will learn more functions also. So after this we will study about the for loops in our next video. So for the today, thank you and have a nice day.